is Chavi and I am thrilled to introduce our school to you. Our school name is Saint Mother Teresa Senior Secondary School. Our school offers a wide range of classes from preschool to high school with a focus on well-rounded education. Our curriculum includes subjects like science, mathematics, languages, social studies and physical education. In addition to academics, our school places a strong emphasis on personality development. We believe that the education should go beyond the classroom, and that's why we offer a variety of programs and activities designed to help our students to grow into confident, compassionate and well-rounded individuals. In today's world, creativity is more valuable than ever. Here are some ways to use creativity. Personal life. First, hobbies. Engage in creative activities like drawing, playing music, dancing or photography. Second, problem. Approach everyday problems with a creative mindset to find innovative solutions. Third, journaling. Reflect on your thoughts and ideas through writing, drawing and collaging. Professional life. First, innovation. Apply creative thinking to develop new ideas, services or processes. Second, design thinking. Use empathy, experimentation and iteration to develop user-centered solutions. Storytelling. Communicate complex ideas through engaging narratives and visuals. Third, education. First, real world projects. Engage students to work on real world projects that foster creativity and critical thinking. Second, interdisciplinary approaches. Combine subjects like science, mathematics, arts to approach critical thinking. Third, maker space. Provides hands-on environment for students to create, experiment and innovate. Thank you. Over to Jessica.
Namaste and warm greetings to all esteemed guests, dignitaries and devotees gathered here today. My name is Jessica and I am a proud student of Saint Mother Teresa Senior Secondary School. I am honored to represent the rich culture, heritage of India on this auspicious occasion of Mahakumbh 2025. As we gather on the sacred banks of the River Ganga, we are reminded of our timeless wisdom and spiritual traditions that have shaped our nation. From the majestic Himalayas to the vibrant cities, India is a land of breathtaking diversity where ancient customs and modern innovations blend seamlessly. Our culture is a vibrant tapestry woven from the threads of the spirituality, philosophy, art and literature. It is a culture that celebrates the unity of existence, the interconnectedness of all living beings and the pursuit of knowledge and self-realization. As we celebrate Mahakumbh 2025, we honor of our sacred traditions of our ancestors who have passed down us the wisdom of the Vedas, the Upanishads and the Bhagavad Gita. We pay tribute to great sages, saints and seers who have guided us on the path of spiritual growth and self-discovery. Mahakumbh 2025 is not just a celebration of our cultural heritage. It is also a testament enduring power of faith, devotion and community. As we came together to take the sacred dip to worship and to seek the blessings of divine, we are reminded of our shared humanity and common quest for all meaning and purpose. Let us cherish and honor our cultural heritage even as we embrace the challenges and the opportunities of the modern world. Let us strive to preserve our timeless wisdom of the tradition and traditions even as we innovate and adapt to the needs of our rapidly changing world. Jai Hind, Jai Mahakumbh. Over to Bhumi.
Good morning everyone, my name is Bhumi Tankar and I am student at MTTS. I would like to know about the history of India. I would like to tell you about the era of Britishers. Let's start it. The East India Company's arrival in India in the early 17th century marked the beginning of a new era in Indian history. As the company sailed east, they brought with them a cargo of goods, guns and grand ambition. Initially, the company's goal was to stabilize a foothold in the lucrative spice trade, but soon its ambition grew to encompass the conquest of the entire Indian subcontinent. With the superior military might and clever diplomatic maneuvering, the East India Companies, thank you. Over to you, Tanishka.
Good morning everyone, my name is Tanishka and I am a proud student of St. Teresa Public School, a prestigious institution Good morning everyone, my name is Ranjit. I am studying in St. Teresa's School. I read in 8th class. Today I am going to tell you about technology. Hello everyone, I want to talk about something that has revolutionized from the smartphones in our pocket to the computer in our classroom. Technology is a part of our life and students is essential that we understand the impact of technology on our world. And how we can harness the power of technology and our shape our future. Technology is a transformed way we communicate, learn and interact with each other. Good morning to all of you. My name is Anik. I am student of class 8. Today I want to talk to you about a crucial issue that affects us all, the preservation of our planet's natural resources. Specifically, I want to emphasize the importance of saving our trees and animals. We all know that the trees are the lungs of our earth, providing us with oxygen and purifying the air we breathe. But their importance goes far beyond that. Tree provided habitat for countless species of animals, protects us from soil erosion, and even help regulate the climate. And it is not just that trees that are suffering. Our animal friends are also facing numerous threats. Deforestation, urbanization, and climate change are all taking devastating on our forest. It is estimated we lost around 30 million hectares of forest every year. That is equivalent to the size of Panama. We must remember that every small action counts, and collective action can lead to the significant of positive change. So let us join forces to protect our planet precious resources. Let us save trees and animals for but just for their sake, but for our sake as well. We owe it to ourselves, our children, and future generations.
Hello everyone, my name is Bharti and I am a student of St. Mother Teresa Senior Secondary School. I would let you know about the public health service of the country. Let me tell you how it works. The public health service is a chain of health center and hospital run by the government. They are linked together so that they cover both rural and urban areas. Can also provide to treatment all kinds of problems, from common illnesses to special service. At the village level, there are health center where there is visiting. And over to you, Aman.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Aman and I am a proud student of MTPS. Our school is a dynamic and supportive community that fosters academic excellence, creativity and critical thinking. As a student here, I had the opportunity to explore various subjects, but today I would like to talk about one that has particularly fascinated me, mathematics. Mathematics is a language of logic, problem solving and critical thinking. It helps us understand the world around us from the intricate patterns in a nature to complex system that govern our universe. In our school, our math department is dedicated to helping us develop our problem solving skills, critical thinking and logical reasoning. Our teacher encourages us to explore the world of numbers and pattern of life. As a math student, I have developed a strong foundation in numerical skills, algebraic thinking and geometrical reasoning. I have learned to approach problems in a logical way. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Chinky and I am a student at MTPS. Our school is a vibrant and diverse community dedicated to providing students with a well-rounded education. As a student here, I have been fortunate enough to explore various subjects. But today, I want to talk about one that fascinates me the most, science. Science is an incredible subject that helps us understand the world better. From the intricacies of the human body to the vastness of space, science encompasses everything. It encourages us to ask questions, think critical, and seek answers through experimentation and exploration. In our school, we have a talented team of science teachers who make learning fun and engaging. They provide us with hands-on experiences from conducting experiments in the lab to participate in science fairs and competitions. As a science student, I have developed problem-solving skills, critical thinking, and a curiosity-driven mindset. In conclusion, I am grateful and I am proud to be a part of this school community, and I am grateful for the opportunity to explore the wonders of science. Thank you. Over to you, Astha.
Hello everyone, my name is Astha Mishra and I am a proud student of MTPS. Our school is a dynamic and inclusive community that fosters academic excellence, creativity and social responsibility. As a student, I have explored various subjects, but today I want to talk about my mother tongue, Hindi. Hindi is a symbol of our culture, tradition and values. Through Hindi literature, we get to understand the various aspects of life. It connects us to our root and helps us to understand the beauty and help us to understand the richness of our culture. In our school, Hindi teacher department help us to understand the beauty expression and power of Hindi. Through the Hindi subject, I have developed respect and love for my mother tongue. And I have also learned that Hindi is not just a language but also a symbol of our culture. In conclusion, I want to express my gratitude to my school and Hindi subject. Thank you. Over to you, Chirag.
Good morning everyone, my name is Chirag. I am proud student of St. Mother Teresa Public School. Our school is a vibrant and inclusive community that fosters academic excellence, creativity and social responsibility. As a student here, I have had the opportunity to explore the various subjects. But today, I would like to talk about one that has particularly captivated me, English. English is a dynamic and versatile language that has become an essential tool for communication in today's globalized world. Through English literature, we are introduced to a vast array of culture, perspective and ideas that broaden our understanding of the world. In our school, our English department is committed to exploring the world of literature, analytical thinking and critical abilities. Our teacher encourages us to explore the world of literature, to question and to think creatively. As an English student, I have developed a passion for reading, writing and communication, to appreciate the power of language, to express myself effectively and connect people with diverse backgrounds. English has not only helped me to improve my language skill, but it has also helped me to open doors to new opportunities, perspective and experience. It has taught me to be curious, to be open-minded and to be empathic. In conclusion, I am grateful part of the school community and I am passionate about exploring the world of English. Thank you and have a nice day. Over to you.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Riddhi. I am a student of class 8. I want to tell you now about natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation and wildlife exist only in the narrow zone of contact between hydrosphere, atmosphere and atmosphere that we call biosphere. In the biosphere, living beings interrelated and interdependent on each other for survival. This life supporting system is known as the ecosystem. Vegetation and wildlife are valuable resources. Plants provide us with timber, give shelter to animals, protect soil so essential for your studies. There are in number use of plants. You can add some more. Thank you.
Thank you. Over to you, Lavanya. Good morning, everyone. My name is Lavanya, and I am a proud student of St. Mother Teresa Public School. Our school is a dynamic and inclusive community that fosters academic excellence, creativity, and social responsibility. As a student here, I have had the privilege to explore the various subjects, but I did like to talk about one that truly captivates me: social science. Social science is an extraordinary subject that helps us understanding of human societies, cultures, and relationships. It encompasses a broad range of disciplines: history, geography, psychology, and economics. Through social science, we gain insight into the present, past, future of human societies. I have learned struggles and achievements of people from diverse cultures and nations. We develop critical thinking skills, analytical abilities, and empathy. In our school department is committed to providing us enlightening and interactive learning experience. Our teacher encouraged to ask questions, debate, think creatively about world around us. In conclusion, I am grateful part of my school and I passionately explore the fascinating world of social science. Thank you. Over to you, Komal Didi.
Good morning all of you. My name is Komal from class 9. Let me tell you something about the drainage system of India. The drainage system of India are mainly controlled by the broad relief feature of subcontinent. Accordingly, the Indian river is divided into two major rivers, the Himalayan river and the Peninsular river. Apart from originating from the two physiographic regions of India, the Himalayan river and the Peninsular river are different from each other in many ways. Most of the Himalayan rivers are perennial. It means that they have water throughout the years. The Himalayan rivers, the Indus, the Brahmaputra, are originating from the north of the mountain ranges. They have also well-developed deltas. The Himalayan river are the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra. These rivers are long and are originating by the rivers. These rivers are large and important tributaries. A river along with its tributaries may be called a river system. Over to you, Vasu.
Good morning everyone. My name is Vasu and I am from class 8. So today I am going to tell you about global warming. I want to talk about critical issues that affect us all. Global warming. It's a topic that often we discuss but not always fully understood. as students, it's essential that we take the time and learn about global warming. What is global warming? The global warming refers to the long-term rise in the average surface temperature of the earth during human activities. These activities, such as burning of fossil fuels, deforestation and pollution, releases greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun and causing Earth's temperature to rise. Effects of global warming. The effects of global warming are far-reaching and devastating. Rising temperatures are causing melting of polar ice caps, leading to the sea level rise and more frequent natural disasters like hurricanes and droughts. Thank you.
Good morning. As you have seen this, basically that how students how students were telling you about the school, how students were telling you about the discipline, how students were telling you about the infrastructure, how students were telling you about the way of teaching, which in a way we are teaching these students, in a way we are teaching the disciples. So that's the best video, school introductory video, which we shooted today, where all of the students actually performed in an extremely good way. So now, with this, we are ending up this video, and I would like to say this, that we are absolutely moving forward towards, because we are having a goal, we are having an aim specifically to motivate students, to just educate students, and just to lift them up on every level. Thank you very much. My name is Nishan Gaur, and I have a team here. Thank you very much.